Our top focus for the day continues to be the situation that has been developing in the city of Kolkata, and we take you to an incident that in fact unfolded last night during the Reclaim the Night protest that in fact had developed in Kolkata. Let's take a look at what exactly happened. In fact, some miscreants tried to sabotage the Reclaim the Night movement by entering the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in the wee hours of Thursday. Remember, this is the same medical college and hospital where the very crime, the brutal crime of rape and murder against a trainee doctor took place. Chaos erupted as a mob vandalized the area where people were protesting to seek justice for the brutal rape and murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor of the reputed medical college. Miscreants allegedly attacked protesters, including doctors, and also damaged police vehicles. A mob of hundreds of men barged into the premises and pelted stones and ransacked two police vehicles stationed at the gate of the hospital, taking everyone, including the police, by surprise. But what was the most surprising thing about this entire incident, this entire unfortunate incident that yet again has unfolded in Kolkata, was the reaction of the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal, who has now lashed out at the media, alleging that what happened was the result of wrong and malicious media campaign. Let's take a look at what's been said by the police commissioner.
We have verified all this. He is a primary school teacher's son. Unless we have evidence, we can't arrest. It will be criminal on our part to do this. We are verifying everything. We have spoken, the accused has not come out with any other name. Obviously, then we have to be little more, scientific. We have to rely on other scientific. We are constantly interrogating everyone. Whoever was there, we have interrogated everyone. Right on the first night. My additional CP personally was here. He has interrogated everyone. Personally, a large team. There is a huge task which had to be done. And then you cross-check. You do so much of work. Just by rumor mongering and bringing distrust of this to the citizens of this city or the country. I think the city is the loser. Calcutta police is the loser. Not Vineet Goyal. People are calling me all kind of names and things like this. I'm again telling you, my humble submission is under whatever the information, knowledge, my works, officers have worked very hard, honestly, integrity. You must ask CBI the kind of work these officers have done in a span of 4 days with all their honesty, integrity. And this is what the city has given to them. This is demoralizing for officers. We are verifying everything. We will verify everything. As and when it comes to our knowledge, we don't spare anyone as far as, at least that is the principle which we follow. From my side, every time I tell the same thing to all my men. So many of my men we have arrested. You can call it intelligence failure if you say so. But we don't spare people.
With that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi raked up the issue during his address to the nation on the occasion of the 78th Independence Day from the ramparts of Delhi's Red Fort. Prime Minister's message was very loud and clear. Strictest punishment be ensured for the accused and create fear in the minds of these criminals. And this just hours after thousands took to the streets demanding freedom for women. Let's take a look at what exactly was said by the Prime Minister.
आज अनेक क्षेत्रों में आज हमारे रक्षा क्षेत्र में देखिए, हमारा एयरफोर्स हो, हमारी आर्मी हो, हमारी नेवी हो, हमारा स्पेस सेक्टर हो, आज हमारी महिलाओं का हम दमखम देख रहे हैं। देश के लिए लेकिन दूसरी तरफ कुछ चिंता की बातें भी आती हैं और मैं आज लाल किले से फिर बार एक अपनी पीड़ा व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। एक समाज के नाते हमें गंभीरता से सोचना होगा कि हमारी माताओं, बहनों, बेटियों के प्रति जो अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, उसके प्रति देश का आक्रोश है, जन सामान्य का आक्रोश है। इस आक्रोश को मैं महसूस कर रहा हूं। इसको देश को, समाज को, हमारी राज्य सरकारों को गंभीरता से लेना होगा। महिलाओं के विरुद्ध अपराधों की जल्द से जल्द जांच हो, राक्षसी कृत्य करने वालों को जल्द से जल्द कड़ी सजा हो, वो समाज में विश्वास पैदा करने के लिए जरूरी है। मैं ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि जब बलात्कार की या महिलाओं पर अत्याचार की घटनाएं घटती हैं तो उसकी बहुत चर्चा होती है, बहुत प्रचार होता है, मीडिया में छाया रहता है। लेकिन जब ऐसे राक्षसी मनोवृत्ति व्यक्ति को सजा होती है तो वो खबरों में कहीं नजर नहीं आती, एक कोने में कहीं पड़ा रहता है। अब समय की मांग है कि जिनको सजा होती है उसकी व्यापक चर्चा हो, ताकि ऐसा पाप करने वालों को भी डर पैदा हो कि ये पाप करने की हालत ये होती है कि फांसी पर लटकना पड़ता है। और मुझे लगता है कि ये डर पैदा करना बहुत जरूरी है।